Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about how many solutions of S satisfy about this equation in here. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that we can divide both sides by number 4. We have 1 over 4. And now we have the interval from 0 to 2p. Now we need to write about cosine s from 0 to 2p. We know that when s equal to number 0, you got about the value is about number 1. Now when s equal to b over 2, we got about 0. Later that when s equal to 3b over 2, you got about 0 in here. So the graph of cosine s should be like this. This one we have negative number 1. And now we have 1 over 4. This is about the positive number. And we know that 1 over 4 equal to 0.25. So the line of 1 over 4 should be in here. We see that the intersection between the curve of cosine s and y equal to 1 over 4. That is about the solution. So we have one intersection and we have another intersection in here. Because we just have only 2 intersections on the interval from 0 to 2p. So this one we just have only 2 solutions. And the answer we need to find, that's about C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.